In precision manufacturing processes like investment casting, maintaining accurate slurry measurements is critical for quality control. Slurry viscosity directly affects coating thickness, surface finish, shell strength, and defect formation, making continuous monitoring essential for manufacturing excellence. Traditional inline sensors face a persistent challenge: ceramic deposit buildup on measurement probes. As these deposits accumulate, they create upward drifting measurements and compromise data reliability, forcing costly production interruptions for manual cleaning. Watch as our sensor probe gradually accumulates ceramic deposits. The measurements are no longer accurate due to the shell buildup affecting the probe's performance. Now, observe as we activate CleanWave technology. Immediately break up and remove the deposits. See how the measurements instantly return to their accurate baseline values. Rheonics SlurrySense with CleanWave technology revolutionizes slurry monitoring across all industries. This breakthrough enables uninterrupted, real-time monitoring without deposit concerns, eliminating maintenance downtime and ensuring measurement reliability. From battery manufacturing to pharmaceutical production, printing presses to automotive coating lines, manufacturers can now achieve automated process control, reduce operational costs. It's the future of intelligent, maintenance-free process monitoring.